Samsung is working on entry-level and mid-range smartphones for next year, and one of them is the Galaxy M16 5G. The entry-level smartphone could launch in the first quarter of next year in India and some other markets. Android headlines sharing Galaxy M16 5G first look. The phone coming in black, green, and peach color options. Galaxy F16 5G appears to feature a triple camera setup on the rear, a 50MP primary camera, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. M16 5G featuring a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with an Infinity U notch. The screen has full HD plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. The Geekbench listing reveals the M16 5G will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor with Mali G57MC2 GPU and 8GB RAM and run Android 14. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and supports 25W fast wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.